Welcome to this episode of How We Getting Paid. In today's episode, we are going to be speaking to a habit strategist and coach who would like to start to speak to schools and organizations around changing their habits, living a fulfilling life, building new habits, and being more productive. So let's get into it. First and foremost, when I look at your account, I got to tell you, there's a couple of things that I would actually recommend when it comes to your actual content strategy. But this whole series is not about content strategy per se. If you like to book a actual strategy session and hear some of the ideas that I have for your content, go ahead and click the link in my bio. We can schedule a time to chat. But in this particular episode, I'll focus mainly on monetization. So what's great news to know is that I actually used to work for a speakers bureau, so I can give you some really great insight on that. As a community manager of a speakers bureau, some of the things that I saw were that folks would come up and say, why is Common getting booked before me? Or why is Regina King getting booked before I do? And we both do the same things. And my answer to them would be, do you have a presence? So as you start to build out your presence here on TikTok, a couple of things I want you to keep in mind and ways that you can monetize. First and foremost, we can start off with the one thing that everybody seems to always talk about is a book, right? Or an ebook. What you're doing with an ebook or a book is that you're actually putting a line in the sand, so to speak. People know what to come to you for and why they should call upon you. This also is a great way for you to generate some income, and it provides you a way for you to actually make connections with other publishers. Since you mentioned taking a course and also getting certified, I would lean on that. Put all of Homeboy's research from Stanford all up and through that book or ebook. One of the things I also noticed as I was doing my research on, I'm a huge researcher. He actually provides a way for folks to take his habit training for free. Why is he doing that? It provides him with data, and he even says it in his video. All of that data is then collected so that way he has some way to quantify how his actual methodology works. And so you could be doing a similar thing. I would speak to him or his family because, like I said, I did the research. I saw that it's kind of a family-run organization. Go to them, ask them if there's a way that you can actually take the research they've done and put it into your own words and create a book around it or a spin-off of it. I'm sure there's been a situation that you've been able to utilize his strategy and his methodology in. I did see some videos around weight loss, so I'm guessing it's in that way. And we all know that weight loss has a lot to do with a lot of different things and elements that happen in our lives. Utilize that. Sorry, that was a bit of content strategy. I couldn't help myself. Back to the monetization. What you're going to do is then get that book. You're going to take that book. You're going to get a beta program going. Ask for feedback. That way you get paid twice. Want me to do your account? Comment.